Okay, I'm going to make these Green Giant Simply Steam Mediterranean blend, potatoes, zucchini, and carrots with Mediterranean inspired seasonings. Okay, first of all, I'm going to do is steam them in a pot. My microwave is not working anymore, so which I'd rather do it this way anyways than in this bag. So right now I'm just going to put them in the steam basket and let it come to a steam. Got some water boiling for some rice because I'm making cube steak in the oven. Anyway, let's do this and then we're gonna come back and put them in the oven. Okay, let's read the back. The ingredients: red potatoes, zucchini, carrots, yellow carrots, extra virgin olive oil, salt, garlic powder, spices, dried garlic. It says feta cheese. Really? I didn't see no feta cheese in there. Contains milk, butter, okay, onion powder, lemon juice, onion powder. Okay, so it has the seasonings, a good amount of seasonings on it. Sounds good. So, and I like this kind of vegetables, which I like vegetables anyways. I steamed these for about 4 minutes, and now I'm going to put them in the oven for, I'm going to try 20 minutes because they are soft right now. I put 2 teaspoons of butter on top. Just divided it around. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees, and I'm going to check them in 20 minutes. Okay, so these have cooked 20 minutes. I think I'm going to put it back because these carrots are still tough. Well, no, those are soft. I just cut the carrots up a little bit so I can chew them. And, yeah, it looks like it's all done, except the carrots are still too tough for me, but that's alright. Just stir it up with the, I put cooking spray at the bottom so they wouldn't stick, and then I put some butter, so that'll give it some flavor too. Alright, so these are the roasted Mediterranean vegetables. And let me try. I'm going to get zucchini, some carrot, this is a yellow carrot. I've never had a yellow carrot before. Looks more like a yellow squash. Pretty good. Very good. Okay, yeah. This is pretty good.